In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Python extension in Cursor and select the right interpreter. Let's get started inside Cursor AI. Open the editor and create a new file. Give it a name that ends with .py, for example, and hello.py, and save it. That .py extension tells the editor you're working with Python, which unlocks language features like syntax highlighting and makes the rest of the setup smoother. Even a simple file with a single line, like a print statement, is perfect for testing later. Next, we'll install the Python extension. Look to the sidebar and click the apps icon to open the extensions view. If you prefer menus, you can also go to View, then Extensions. In the search bar, type Python. You'll see several results, but make sure to select the official Python extension published by Microsoft. Click Install. This is the core add-on that gives you IntelliSense, also code formatting, linting, debugging, notebook support, and a lot more. During installation, you might see prompts for companion tools. Those are normal, and the defaults generally work well. When the extension finishes installing, you're ready to point cursor to the Python interpreter you want to use on. Now select the Python interpreter. Open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or Linux, or CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac OS. In the search box that appears, start typing Python. Select interpreter, then choose that command. Cursor will scan your system and list available Python installations and environments. Pick the one that matches your setup. If you use virtual environments, look for the one inside your project folder. If you have multiple versions installed, choose the version you intend to use right now. A quick tip: pay attention to the version number and any path hints shown in the list. They help you identify the interpreter accurately. If you don't see the interpreter you expect, it can help to make sure your project folder is open in Cursor and that Python is installed on your machine. After selecting an interpreter, Cursor will remember your choice for the workspace, and the Python extension will use it for features like running code and linting. You can switch interpreters at any time by repeating the same command palette action. That's it. You've created a Python file, installed the official Python extension, and selected the interpreter you want to use, so you're set up to start writing Python confidently in Cursor AI.